Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to introduce you into the Apple Notes. So the Apple Notes is the applications that created by the Apple or iOS to provide you have the place to type something to have the list. So you just need to find this application. If you cannot find, just go open the search button and just type notes here. So the Apple Notes will be symbolized with this. If you cannot find it, you just need to open your app store and start to install them. Then just need to click it to open it. This is the appearance whenever you open the application. So I already created several notes on my Apple Notes here. So if you want to create one, it's so simple. Just go take a look on this below features here on the right side. Go click them and you will be right away bring into you the blank document. So here in the first part there will be a title. So you just need to type the title of the notes that you want to write. So let's say here list for shopping. And then after that, you just need to go click return right away, and you can just start adding any list that you need to buy on the store. You can also use this part just to make you easier remember the things that you need to buy on the store. So let's say you just need to type A, B, C, and whenever you go to the store and you already got the A, you just need to go click checklist so that you will never miss any items from your shopping list. And after you're done creating the list, just go click done and go back, and these notes will be automatically saved into your phone. So that's actually how the Apple Notes works on your phone. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and let's meet into another tutorial to know more about Apple Notes.